You can make steady income online as a copywriter. Businesses and companies are looking for copywriters that can help them create marketing content which can increase the sales of their products online. So this means that there are a lot of companies which are willing to pay huge sums of money to skilled copywriters. These skilled copywriters can help these companies create marketing content for their products. So this copywriting skill is in high demand on the marketplace today. So hurry up now and learn copywriting so that you can easily make money online. Also, the beauty of this business is that you can start it from the comfort of your home. This business can also be a side hustle. So this means that you don't need to quit your job to start this business because this business can be a side hustle. Also, there are a lot of paying copyright jobs that pays thousands of dollars on freelance websites. There are a lot of copyright jobs that are available on freelance websites such as Fiverr.com, Upwork.com, Freelancer.com, and PeoplePerHour.com. These freelance websites are filled with copyright jobs that pays you thousands of dollars every day. So hurry up now and apply for those copywriting jobs. You can also offer your copywriting services to businesses and companies that operate in the city that you live in. So my advice to you is to hurry up now and develop the necessary skills that you need as a copywriter and start making your steady income every month. You can also make this steady income just from the comfort of your home. So you can operate this copywriting business just from the comfort of your home with the help of the internet. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please ask me any questions that you have on the comment section so that I can answer them immediately. Also remember to subscribe to this channel and click the bell notification button so that you can get the latest information about online businesses on this channel. Also like and share this video so that your friends and family can also learn how to make money online easily. Remember to watch other videos on this channel so that you can learn different strategies that you can use to make money online. So watch other videos on this channel so that you can learn different tricks and tips that you can use to make money easily on the internet. So goodbye. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time on my next video. Goodbye.